Today we'll be making veal saltimbocca. And for this recipe, we'll need a little white wine, some extra virgin olive oil, veal stock, the veal scallopini with the sage and prosciutto already pounded in, a little all-purpose flour, and just a touch of butter. Coat the bottom of a saute pan with a little extra virgin olive oil. Dredge the scallopini in a little flour, and you just want to cook it just for a minute on each side. Going to add the white wine, a little veal stock, and just a touch of butter. And we'll let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Arrange the veal nicely on the plate and garnish with a little sauce and a sprig of sage.